In this video, I'll show you how to record expenses paid with owner funds in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so the expense hits the right categories without reducing your business bank balance. Start by clicking New and choosing Expense, then enter the payee and the purchase date from the receipt. For the payment account, don't pick your business checking, select an equity style account, such as owner's contribution, owner investment, or a dedicated due to owner liability if you plan to reimburse. So QuickBooks understands the owner covered it. In the category details, code the purchase to the correct expense accounts, like supplies, software, or travel. Add a clear memo like paid personally by owner, and attach the receipt for documentation. Save and the expense is recorded properly, while the offset is tracked through equity or a payable to the owner instead of your bank. If you later reimburse the owner, record that payment from the business account and categorize it to the same owner-related account so it clears the balance. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that keep owner activity clean and your reports accurate.